See, Mahatma Gandhi, G. Ramji. I don't know. G. Ramji means Sri Rama or any other Rama. Let them bring another scheme in Sri Rama, sir. We will welcome. But why should they change Mahatma Gandhi name? Because they are anti-Mahatma Gandhi. Who killed Mahatma Gandhi? 5-6 times they tried since 1935. At last they succeeded. And since beginning, this BJP, RSS, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, they are misleading the people through media and social media, anti-Mahatma Gandhi. Because of that, it shows their mentality regarding Mahatma Gandhi. This is very unfair. See, there are a lot of schemes in the names of Vajpayee and other leaders. We don't object. They also served the country. By changing Mahatma Gandhi's name, they can't achieve anything. No, squash. See, in 1956, this ED started. In Manmohan Singh period, only 1,400 cases are they have registered. In BJP period, 4,800 cases are registered, 90% against Congress and other opposition party leaders. And so nearly about 450 leaders, they joined Congress after these cases, MLAs, MPs. And they have given clean chit also by putting them into washing machine. Now we are protesting here, CM, DCM, everybody is coming. Not only here, throughout nation we are protesting. And in 2013, in 2G scam, 2 lakh crores misappropriation, they told like that, by using Anna Hazare, Kiran Bedi and other Patanjali Swamiji, and 80,000 crores misappropriation in coal scam. After 2014, BJP came to power. No, what happened? They have given, courts have given clean sheet in both cases.